treatment, your doctor should check you for infections and tuberculosis.
He's spinning it.
Doctor, if you have an infection or symptoms such as fever, sweats, chills, muscle
I think
aches, or
it's
coughs,
too
or
mad.
have to or recently received a vaccine.
Talk to your dermatologist about Skyrizi.
What's the matter, Raphael?
Help you save.
Does that have your bone?
Yeah, Kristen, this is perfect. I love it. Hey, but let's talk about the lower level. Follow me.
Whoa, okay. Ambient lighting.
He's trying to dig
Get
like he's
recommendations for
in
free
the
from
ground.
Spy Home Expert.
Raphael, I'm sorry to say, but it ain't going it.
The new iPhone 13 Pro is here with the most advanced iPhone camera ever, and I got it at T-Mobile.
I thought you were going to talk about forever.
This is a value that lasts
Sure
forever.
is.
Because when you get the new iPhone at T-Mobile,
Sure,
everything is locked in.
So we can always have a new iPhone?
Yes. So, what do you say? Switch to T-Mobile with me?
Fall in love with iPhone. Get it on us now and upgrade every 2 years.
Raphael, what's the matter? He's thinking he would get tired after a
How
while.
the supply chain problems
Watch him
are
talk
impacting
back
students'
to you
school
again.
lunch. An inside look at the new state-of-the-art Hennepin County Medical Examiner's Office, and Belle is tracking ground.
It's me. I was wondering after all these years of life. So
Well, at least he's got a good nose. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Looks like he's swimming.
So is he extorting you or falling in love with you?